Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are Cheap Lazy Naturals, and today I'm back again with another video, and I'm gonna be showing you guys a cute and easy hairstyle that you guys can all achieve on your natural hair. And it's basically this low puff that I have going on right here. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So as usual, I'm starting off on a very old wash and go that is obviously overdue for a wash, but nonetheless I'm still going to proceed to spritz it with water just to make it nice and pliable so that I can easily smooth and actually put my hair in a low puff. And then I'm going to proceed to part my hair to the side because I felt like having a side parting, and then I'm going to carry on spritzing my hair. Also, don't mind the product on my hair, it's just that I had a bunch of gel on my hair, and basically by adding water I was kind of reactivating the gel back to life. So all I'm doing right now once I've spritzed my hair with water is just smoothing my hair and making sure that the water is getting evenly distributed. And so instead of me trying to pull all of my hair into a puff at once, I actually first start off by only putting the back section into a puff, or actually I just tie it with a pony, and this kind of just helps me slowly achieve the puff without getting too tight or without breaking my arms. And yeah, so then I proceed to work with the front sections, and I just re-wet it again and then smooth it down and try to join it to the back sections. And while I'm at it, I like to remove some of the hair strands on the side, some little side pieces, or like Sherilyn likes to call them, some swirlies. And yeah, then once I feel like I've gathered everything to the back, I release the pony and I tie everything up into a low puff. And once I managed to put my hair in a puff, I actually added a bit more water to start smoothing my hair down. And then I made sure that I tugged on my ends just to make sure that my puff was as big as possible and that my hair wasn't bulging on my scalp, if that makes sense. Anywho's, I continued to add more water onto my hair just to really reactivate the gel on my hair. And here I am just smoothing everything in with the hairbrush and then afterwards with my hands. And then I continue to add more water. Basically, this cycle went on and on for probably like another 5 minutes or so. And then I decided to add some edge control to my edges just to make it look more smoother and sleeker, and to make sure that my hair has a nice hold. Then using a strictly for edges toothbrush, I started doing my edges, you know, some swoop 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 action. Then I added a bit more of edge control, and yeah, that's pretty much what I did. So for some odd reason, the edges on this side of my hair are just always much harder to do. I don't know why, guys. It's very, very weird. I had to even go in with a comb. And once I was done with my edges, I touched up on my side pieces, or like Sherilyn likes to call them, my swirlies. So I just added some water onto them just to refreshen them, and then I kind of lightly coiled them just to really get the curls poppin'. And once that was done, I tied my hair up with a satin scarf. And then I kept my satin scarf for 10 minutes, but of course you can keep it for longer. The longer the better, the longer your hair will last and the better it will look. And voila, these were the final results. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and thought it was somewhat beneficial. Please don't forget to drop down a comment and press that like button, as well as subscribe and follow us on our social media, mainly Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And once again, thank you so much, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye.